for higher GC News, Mima Oya Kwawa, Ahadia, latest and hot news, and Kwa Enamede, Bremo. And it is on your subscriber to channel idea, Bomodian say, Obe subscribe. The Obeyan say, Obe click the subscribe button. Now, a barely notification, where the video for Frubia be upload with the first person I want sa Ebeka ASA video. I feel we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up, Nafi, share my for now when you be here now, and somewhere I so. Ewo Ghana Memoanum. Afi Yambura ye and Sama Abeto Yapnoso. Captain Smart, on your TV show morning host, or the and Sama Tuja watch the say, the president and Ando Kwaku Addo, Kwanya or the former president, John Kufuor Faso, and your captain Adansi Bibri, which they say, Ubunenimtia, Nimabia and Senko Yaman, Nina Kufuor, and Nikura, Saso, and I watch the say, Bediatuo, or near Kufuor, Pubia, one Bofa, Kufuor, or the Nigina Tuja, Captain Abrobro, and Sammy so. And Tentemara ye call na Katina Yekuti and Samoa ye Captain Smart Eddie Tuya. It is Samuel.
I am Kwaku Annan Kufuor or ye dinti Kufuor do nyani pa Kufuor je ye nipa na ono any nipa di kanya or di MPP a testy to me or the MPP testy to me oh kuma eh then no mo kwaso Mahama in 2012 okay MPP focus see Kufuor ban wani wouldn't be power orchestrating Sadia no I Asante Bediatuo ne Akufo Addo. I am sitting here and saying it today say denti and I say Kufuor na Kufuor ye ndisini and Kufuor di 80 years plus Asante Bediatuo di 60 or him Kufuor him who dog. Then you 2 MPP 4 Ghana for fisa me pekasa nya kasa na me padie bia ye o edu baby no ho President Kufuor bufu so on your campaign in my MPP. I'm telling you today.
Afia.
Oh. Because see na nya Bawumia nti o President Kufuor who say 2008 and she say na eda ho say na do president o make sure so obe focus na why no ansesa 2012 ansesa when be the president 2016 ya to Obama president elect from 2017 nana do Kufuor nim tia edu baby na time I am sitting here and saying this now edu Kufuor birthday no I share black suit
yeah dada
na okọ no akodi Kufuor birthday na okọ as if say na bibia e fine edu baby na ulman and the man says the man no as a former president kura me betra haya na kai na nko o de enti abaya no wasewi the president of Canada Afena enia yenyan mafia go to J. Kufuor's house and check the car numbers. Ghana she share say en fie na bia no enye Kufuor na yes amra to even Osaje for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ono Fofia Antoata when sa akwenya no ono wenya bi but oye to nanado papa oye ceremonial president of Fia Kunya so Ghana man cast 4 cast 9 edu baby na nanado 2 baako Ekoda nsoman meni Akufo Addo penalty ase fe no to nche eti afa do baby no me ubisa ulman fie ho a afa do baby na me nkoho am say adent na ya o mehwe papa am say dabi wan hwe yi asem kotra TV so na me ka bibia obi be kasa jaba Kufuor kura na aka kire me akra that is why I stopped coming home na eya ma JH Mensa yarda ho Collins Dawdo ye NDC ni na na hwe JH Mensa Teresa Kufuor nua be ma you know what say na me
Ebri
wo pa obi amfa ni phone for Collins Dawda I'm telling you today Collins Dawda any MP no okoba meanwhile we had new patriotic party members are one SCSA JH Mensa and contemporary Kufuor betwa hwe na konta teze Kufuor betwa hwe ne nua bema badanka be ye fe sakana na do sori obekwa akosra no Bawumia sori obekwa akosra no akusi se me wo fa no edi film Collins Dauda aya na nkwafa nyo se jama Kufuor oye di nti Kufuor de onye nipa on Kufuor je ye nipa na ono eni nipa odi kan a odi MPP a testy to me odi MPP testy to me o kuma then na mo kwaso Mahama in 2012 okay MPP focus see Kufuor ban
Wani.
Wouldn't be orchestrating Sadia no. I Asante Bediatuo ne Akufo Addo. I am sitting here and saying it today. Say, Denti, and I say Kufuor na Kufuor ye ndisini. And Kufuor the 80 years plus. Asante Bediatuo di 60 or him Kufuor him.
Who born dog?
There ye 2 MPP 4 Ghana for fisa me pekasa. Nya kasa na me po me padie bia ye o. Mafia, Kufuor ho. Ada J Kufuor ekasa ya. Sa NDC akwala afia bi no.
Wani.
Edemo se hwan. Ye na dwun so kasetia. Onwa de mbeye no ha. Se Kufuor kasa ho. Wo hia nipa dwen ni nyame dwen ansa wate ase. Wadwen wo fama wo nte ase. And I kept saying say asem na Kufuor kan no or patch na say yen 20 MPP. Ba nya Bawumia.
Le.
Edu baby ho. Delegation. Eko luman ho. Say onemen kasa. Asemwe oluman minim.
Ba fire by thunder.
Say anya sa onkrofo be kasa jama onu kura no enim hu bi. Eti obi wo fie ho. Efreme. Nam si oluman nim ho hwe. But the point is that baby ade no edro no ese say ye mani party wo ho ase say ye your man ye nye political party ene mo ne abena mu dware e de ye china be ba fa be wo so be ba so ye be ye mo edro ye be ye MPP edro ba me de me jai party oh no oh JB me say ade a Akufo Addo aban we dia je Kufuor many trip gani.
No, men's go to Guye. Na head and say,
Yanko Eutu Senya East.
Kaswa Hokria.
Kaswa Hona. One I got us how comes to be Lucy election.
Wait. Wani.
Oh, no, this is.
What about declare results? Into passional.
No, this is heavily unacceptable. This is heavily unacceptable.
It is what?
Why? This is absolutely unacceptable. It is so bad.
Who born dog? Who born dog?
No.
When him say national chairman yo here. Opa friend we say no mo fa na nye bini no deny ta
17.
Me na catch
Oh, and they send there no credit.
17.
And there no credit.
Ho. On nam what say kai ya wenya headache no nya paracetamol no nom.
By fire by thunder.
Owum sa.
Ochana there for also. And then yeah.
JFK. General Secretary.
So they na no crack can adjure no time we need.
That's right. On nam hosa.
Just go to come and
Kojo isa kaswa hono. Onim say youth ni bi so makoloke de so assembly.
So de enye munko bi.
Makotap credo mu no. Amamodi akotuma makwana jesi sanche de bottom. Se ochina Monday DC ene omomo ye adwo ho no obi ani ho.
Da bia ne de woni tumi o. Ugro ho police for wechew. No munko bi. Neslo usu krot ne ba bi dwe ne ho kokasa ya. Ye shut ne down. Na ma Esther say oh sir, men kasa bi. Ye woni afine, ye lusu afine. So Esther post no.
I say e should know so.
Nah,
me have you.
It's any say, Korea, it's Ghana for slow at there. Sana ya ye kano, but let me sit here and tell you to the Ghana phone slow at there. Da.
Come in, Kruma Cracker.
Ghana for yenye timido na ada be say Ghana for the kokonyonyo na afano Kwame Nkrumah ne ka say Ghanaians are not timid people as has been suggested in the foreign press. Far from it. They may be slow to anger. Jebi show phone so ye catch us menje je ho na anya meto aso mo show phone so. And God you send them out. What the hell catch them some more?
Na ma ye ne nam no.
Show phone so.
In your message be from one.
Show me what kind message? Over kind live. Kind what is?
Na ma ye ne
message.
When about to be kind.
In your message feel me.
I know.
Oh, Odogu.
ya dad.
I know.
Your dad mo.
Yeah, that.
Oh.
We want you. They may be slow to anger and may take time to organize and act. But once they are ready, they strike. And strike hard. And Ghana striking very hard. Some people are not careful Ghana from sitting here and telling you 30 seats, MPs 30. One Bawumia. MPs. No, let's be real. MPs 30. I'm a new patriotic party.
Yeah, but we are. No, we are.
Resolve.
May run it through the parliamentary. Yes. So in the Asante region, Efija Kwabre North, the NPP parliamentary candidate, Collins Adomaku Mesa, deputy minister for deputy minister for energy, on the winning year, Kenda Power Fasano, on the winning year. Achuma Kwawoma, Kufuor Kwamenu, deputy minister of defense, on the winning year. Maso Edubia. Yao Fripon Addo on the winning on the ticket of the NPP. Yes. And Masun Kwanta Chinebua Kodia for on the winning Asuka Mame Patricia 5 Achumawa Bija Frank Yeboa new fresh candidate 6 Nyabutebamie I have one North Nadmo boss Eric Nana Ajma Prempre and I have one South West Freddy Kachi Agyapong ewune I have one South West Osei Evans Osei Elvis Dapa Minsan also ewune Fija Kwabre Fija Secrét East Mavis Cancer Body Boadu in fact Mavis Cancer Boadu and I think Baba no yes and Asuta Kwama Beposo Adelaide in team. Oforikro Michael Edu, that is Joseph Wayne Nebano. And then share so as usual, Bushia Stephen Amwa, Deputy Finance Minister. Obuasi East, Patrick Boakye Agyarko for NPP. Obuasi West, Kweku Annan. Adansa Sokwa, unfortunately.
Oh, the MPP in our way.
That be way at Asasoko.
Everybody, MPP are winning 190 seats in Club Bombay.
Godwin and Nimley. They are coming to me.
With no problem.
Otafo a visit Echo Asifua for the NPP. Besha South. Nana Eje Bafo Ewa for the NPP.
One we call Asifua.
Yes.
Adea Jubilee House the year no MPP primaries no. Okay.
Okay.
Bonnie Ben or ye?
Oh, sir, Napunti.
Equase for your Bonnie Bay.
Napunti.
Eh?
I said, and Napunti.
Bonnie Ben Pana Branty the year, yeah. I say, what Bomusu. Kadia MPP party Nankasa the year Branty no.
Because so.
Mambusa, which MPP between 80 seats.
Across the country.
Across the country, so many 80. What's that? What's your MPP between 80 to 90 seats?
Yeah, that no.
Ometwenya 90 na Bawumia 100.
MPP 4. MPP 4. Yeah, there. You're free say.
Ena ye wo kwada so Professor Kisley Nyako. E we need that seat. Asante Achim Central. Kwaku Annan entry.
Okay. What
Yes, so but so a lot of seats. Mention of Kwesi Kunadu ewuni Swami lawyer John Darko ewuni
Central Kumasi they apart from Asante.
Yes. Francis Aseso Boakye from Bantima. Atwanga be just South Shirley Chi on the replace Gyamfi. Yomude Secrét no. Yes. And Atwanga Punia set Oseakoto for the NPP. Bosome fra ho Nana Kwame Asafoje aye also winning for the NPP. And Afenyo Markins South Damata Ama and Peniama Salam. Esu ewuni Joabin for the NPP Francis KB Owusu Echiam. Bekwai Ralph Poku I do say I have also Frederick Achi Elusu ye.
Until that's what I'm saying, sir.
Yeah, Elusu
ye. Ashanti region. A catcher said the dynamics of Ashanti region have a far other side of issues than to another regions in any voting party. As it stands now, easy total valid votes for presidential a war easy and 7 akakra drew 12 million. It is so be a catch was a Ghana for and to abana. Wadada Ghana for Kotoye, the moment to TMPP.
Yes, hello.
Yeah.
I hear people say Ashanti region woman tuaba. There be oh. Omo toye. Say ye am no ka say no. Ashanti region. Ashanti region eya yehu. Ashanti region eya yehu. Presidential South America no. Because you know Osha Bawumia across the 1 million mark no. And John Mahama so we chem 600,000. Say ya me no ka say easy asue out of 40,976 no. Say ya me no ka say I can authoritatively tell you say easy saka 39,265 polling stations across the country. Polling stations in there 40,976. Say you know easy and saka 39,265. Nti aka say aka kumebi na chese Ghana Electoral Commission ensaka bibia and still ano John Mahama ewo 56% hona otaro and Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia so tare 41 hona and I don't know Shaka Sifwati Ato Parliament Jimmy
Chairman
also no analysis no ye trace from 2004
yes
and Ashanti region started so far about NPP
yeah sure
but 1992 1996 2000 omode ye the Rollins and a year campaign e Ashanti region
yes
and a Rollins Ebebuma Rollins ASC Rollins ASC and my e Ashanti region Eshe Rollins who he
and the Twaba
and the Twaba Emma the new patriotic party.
Yes, that's true.
Then if it 2004 Banono Musa Derby Adiana Rollins in Muna says I can once say or no one ye share the Twaba no says Papa notify
or Jeno
it's Argentina still ano and at 2004 MPP Ashanti region started say or fan of Wadre ABC 2016 Nanado inya boom 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 a man wa Ashanti region no etwa bane party MPP.
That is the more reason why a lot of ministers lose almost seats.
That's right
in Ghana. You can talk about the likes of
ballot papers
Heavily unacceptable. I mean,
ballot papers.
And a
good from Sano. Ballot papers.
The same thing.
And a good from Sano. Whether with Timu, the value is the same.
Nothing will change.
Well, sir, for the very first time after 2000, Ghana Fuankasa are extremely vigilant about say to abani policy about all.
Yes, because they have seen the value of voting.
Na 1992, 1996, 2000. Eden and Kame with the soldier form, you know. Some say, Mobile Penewa.
Who born dog?
1992, 1996.
Even in 2000,
na 2000, share. Nakaye Komisa. Senior man, Mobisa said, Mokoya.
I was watching you with you.
My bro. Me, my bro.
Hey, Rade Yagopo.
Me, my me papa, me, Kurana, me, Mua, what to say, my boy MPP party.
Peter Bawu, Elusu the seats.
Oh, I didn't know that.
I don't pray, Elusu the seats.
Voter region, zero for MPP. Upper is zero. Zero endorsement.
Abujinapo, Elusu the seats. KTM would Elusu the seats. Akosia Rupo de Wakonda, but Akosia Menu, Elusu. Yes, at the time. And Harry Coach Elusu the seats. Darko Newman, Elusu the seats. Yes, Darko Newman, Elusu the seats. Howard Coulson, Elusu the seats. Esla Owusu, Elusu the seats. Mrekuduka, your own friend, Elusu the seats.
Oh no, Nunia.
Na aye. A year, Ewo Gomwa.
Na year.
A year. On A plus Kotudu, also listen the seats. Sanitation Minister, Lydia Al Hassan, John
Elusu the seats.
Elusu the seats. Ambrose Derry, Elusu the seats.
Infantiman, Ophelia.
Yes, Ejapa Mesa, also Elusu the seats. A lot of notable names. Naka is
the do man Kasima, ye koya, ye kucha market, no na. Ye de abana fe wo motimi hu se o ade no asenti yenye ne yie na motimi asiesie na emma no enye baabi atena no woni ma de omoye omo sma boys memetime ma me fie nanim ho didi no no ma ba sem bibi fa ba so mo ne be meeting sa de ntima kotwa market no
na shimu
na kwa ba ko be yam obedi memma sem
o sisi
na hwene din ana me hu say adwe da ne trim no etise sisi ade ne ba wi ase ti men fi
no na shimu
na instead say na MPP ewo infantiman be hu say no abrante ya ye ne kana semi ne ma me ye women organizer wa MPP
okoto nwano ma
enti yento ye bo ase na fe ye hwa de kode pote na market na say no afa no unim jebi ma fi market na ekotwa na ho ba asem no afa no mko pesika ko sisi
yeah yes but it's a sad story
and a man catch on say na say na mu siesie be ye and na wo hye captain smart ahoroba na on the about 20 on
say ayi hono
magazine
yeah
asabi Asama
Chief Test Minister.
I am telling you today, Upa Francis and Bisano. No, Sumama.
Sir?
That's a MPP Lusun Fantamana. Sasamasi. Now, say pressure. About MPP. So MPP in your party are pressure one or so elections. Even when MPP is losing elections, pressure ni MPP. 2008. That pressure ni mum. 50-50. 50% to opposition. 50% of ruling government. Until she imagine Professor Mills to be the president. She imagine. Now she imagine Nanado to be the president.
Yeah, almost 1 billion votes.
1,655 polling stations across the country. Now all the 40,976 polling stations in Nano. Jay Abidru.
I think it's a big congratulations to Ghana's democracy. Ghana Yaya 32 years of our democratic dispensation. We've done so well. That notwithstanding, another Kwaku Akufo Addo, why are there? But I mean, in his old the tenure of office, and this record has been, or this pace has been recorded for the very first time in our body politics. Say you're going to a battle, our presiding over this battle, Kufuor edu 10 actually wonkwa. In 2020, in year 8, 2024, in year 2. Very terrible, very shameful, and I pray some of us didn't see BM da ewo ye wiase mo e bai because ye kwose e kwakoto abakeke. Ya kwose e kwakokunipa. And I sincerely pray, say, the IGP, upon the request of the and the will of the people, Akufo mienu a omahwe mo nkwa ewo Ewutusenya East, that is Kaswa Hodom no. Please, with the greatest of respect and humility to you and your office, bring those people to your books, arrange them before the law court. No matter who they are. No matter who they are. Na ye matentrene and daddy because ya hwe ya o man be bo because of amanyofo. And I salute the IGP for his courage and the confidence imposed in him as the man in uniform. And yes, I can be a menoka so that pinche koso we bebre. Ngwase same si wo nsawoma drojiri. You to two left and right, back and forth basa just because you want power. And then another pray mo two on person so hodom na those shameful and arrogant posture of yours. And then can you be bold enough to call the same security personnel to do the same thing they did for you see our power necessary. You are powerless. These are some of the things look, about 7 key ministers of state, cabinet ministers for that matter, it should tell you something. It should tell you something. A heart attack. It is not funny. All in the name of politics. And you're very shameful and very disgraceful under the administration and the watch of another Akufo Addo, the President of the Republic of Ghana. It has been written in the book of history. Say Yakotuaba under the watch of his eyes. For 10 actually won't. How on earth, General, how on earth can he account for the loss and the lives of those people? That notwithstanding, yet if you so can say I feel we are about to ANC. Of course, there were pockets of issue, but in the large extent or in the larger context, you will see say it has been very peaceful. Because there was abuse of equivalency. I could do for a report here 2 times in their reports. So there was an abuse of equivalency. And this should serve as a warning to the NDC and the next government, the NDC and its next government. Now that Kufuor Addo, yes, will be empenasemu. And I'm sure Ghanaians love him. So when the president and Ghana for will be willing to keep boy and sano. I can say papa bi nanko wo money ye or person ye Ghana.
The president we never had.
The president we never had. But then he's going down into history as one of the worst presidents ever. Even though he did his best. But then that's kind of reflects it on some of the decisions he made as a president. He will recall, say, I made a wrong decision. And so, say, I didn't wait to see a wall pencil. The papa. The next NDC, Mahamadu-led administration, should also sit up and make sure, say, this thing would never happen. Pierre, Otu votu na nada da Akufo Addo fo. Ose, ye 2020, 2016 abadi we no. Ose mon kantra Jo Mahama say, aba no ye de kom ene nibre ene toye. Na wona na no so ba na se wanya baboni ye a ye de kom ne nibre beto atia. Na nada da Akufo Addo ho bufu nti ene ye de ato abadi atia John Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. Enye bibia o na nado dan Kufuor Addo sebe mpreduasa ne ho bufuo nti ena Ghana for e da to aba e de tia Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia
na basinia na Bawumia na so te ho gide
Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ye won ti koma ne kasa bebre lectures upon lectures questions upon questions finding solution to the unusual things afedo penso a na afia kwakoye bu achibidi ene nene ye da so tim sisia no ene ho abufuo na Ghana for the to aba and it is the will of the people and I'm happy for the fact that Ghana for and Akasa and nothing could change that result. I sat on this same platform before say yeba beto aba no and I make say yempe runoff and yempe press conference bi amana ba dani etipaye it no be lusu no on lusu miserably no be win no on win convincingly.
Bawumia ngasa kasa ope gab no
ope gab no wanya
gab kase
and he did got the gab. Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, this is not the end of you. You are a very fantastic man, a very knowledgeable man. But this time around, Ghana for one pell, go back, go and sit down, reflect.
Are you sure the NPP would bring Bawumia back in 2020?
Whether or not depends on the NPP. And the one they be decided. Go and sit down, including your running mates. Motinase. Na mo videos na mo morals mo ko ni na mo trust na mo hwe mo videos no nsema mo kan ye se to Ghana for asoma
zana ye ka se omo nchene ntenase
omo nche mo ntenase
na ye mbo
mo videos na mo ko ye rallies na mo ko ye mo videos no
Professor Kufuor ye hey President Kufuor ye Professor Kasim Kasanga
yes
omo ntenase na po ntenase na campaign no ye ina baby okasa ye bia no
omo mo video no
omo video
e fa chiro no ankasa
omo 3 times each video bia ye mo impress ama no dey musan say ono wan throw ne comment
otro wi a then he will come to Ghanaians or he'll come back to Ghanaians as
and
a refined mind.
No, and you refine the crowd, but I think that any day with NAPO on a ticket of the NPP as MP, fine, let it go. NAPO kwa primaries or any region apart from Ashanti region obelusu. Okay? NAPO had it fala because of his association with Menchia Palace.
Absolutely.
So at a point, the constituents now your delegates now what MPP felt that if we vote against him, we have voted against President Kufuor. We have voted against Menchia. So any given day and time, delegates what Menchia constituency saw the need say Yemfa NAPO appreciate Kufuor and Menchia.
Which is absolutely
but he took it for granted. And naturally, no, NAPO is very arrogant. Naturally, NAPO mbunipa. And you do baby I see share politicians, then you kind of cribby and say, look, 21st century politics, it's not about GDP, gross domestic product, it's about HDI, Human Development Index. It's a 21st century politics now, and we've gone past GDP. And years back, people who understood GDP and could explain with their economic jargons were those people who were seen to be very knowledgeable. But Mahatma Gandhi and the others that came from the Asian tigers redefined the 21st century politics. That look, it's not about how much the country can boast of having, but it is how well the people are catered for. And it will go Singapore. Every year, Singapore, in your surplus, a chema above.
Yeah.
And when we have GDP, and I'm economist, no, a chem. Say, you pay Human Development. Me if I were president. Then tina obi eco school, ewo Greater Accra. Na Accra school no kono private school no otrachain aban school. What are the ratio? What are the Human Development Index Analysis and Criteria and a private school na any aban school. That's number 1. Number 2, and then aban school na and cry no otiri twa chen aban school mu student a owogun atachimai. So these disparities no NSSA modern day politician say SSA fix these disparities are a what system name enti yenye pilot eti woko ebia akyere nsu a yemfa kura bi tu ne yakase enkwada ba 10 bi wo ho ye do mo ye pilot project eti sai kura na se wa kyere nsu akura bi ase tu no mo kura ya se hei aban be hye to generator yenyan connect mo ma national grid no so but aban akoto generator de abesi kuro mo ho enam sa ankola 10 ne penti sa ankola 10 no aban hye consciously empathy chedi back who dey be obefin kran kochire English because ye pekoye be build the mental capacity of the Ghanaian child na teacher ni back so free Cape Coast emra na yen fa teacher ni back em free Tamale emra na yen conscientize san kwada 10 no e ma me ne papa say fa hye wo ba ne trim say teacher ni fin kran ton na e ba be kire wade teacher ni free Cape Coast ton na e be kire wade teacher ni free stream ton na ba kire so na be kire wade nti dey nti na aban aso ato generator be sia na wa ma okane abenya ma books na so mpese obesu ande wo yesa we gu me ma me ne papa ne nimase we gu kuro ye nimase we gu wa ho nimase we gu teacher for na ebede nimase. This is how you begin to build the mental capacity of Nkola so that by the time they attain 15 and upwards their human development index ratio had begun. So you do not have to sit down and talk about GDP and the macroeconomic indicators, microeconomic indicators, enterprises in the economy. No, you don't do it that way. We are the sabe you know. But say Acheresuya Tokromo hono. Sa kwara na ote wono.
The deficiency wo.
What did they kwatna classroom, exam hall. What for Greater Accra? The kokan ho mo tena exam hall the competition will be keen. And when I say what building obidi
human capacity index, yeah.
What building no? 21st century sani politics. And your politics are what no so my idea economy no. Oh, right fine, Debbie. So economy no strong said day. Na enipa na te o man ni mu no and reflect on more life mo a hard.
You're waiting for winning and somewhere Captain Smart at Yatujua Brubro and Sembe so watch Sembe Braye, Quaya the president, another than Kufuor, the Kwade, a former president John Agyapong Kufuor Faso, what done some do an hour Eddie. Mikau says, so when subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say, over subscribe, Sansa Hadia, later and hot news and Aremeyaw Bremo. I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up, Nafi, Shema, of Froso. Now when you be here now and somewhere Koso, Wagana Memoha. Also bet me atchere wadwen afaye and some way nyina ho ewo comment box ni mu beti me nkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.